Do you want me to try?
Yeah, why not? Go on then.
Are we ready for the Christmas light switch on Loughborough? That's better. That's better. We've got some panto coming on stage soon.
Yeah, the cast of Peter Pan, which is on at the Loughborough Town Hall very, very soon. We're going to be chatting to them very, very soon. First of all, though, James is back!
He's back!
Hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy.
Once again, Amelia, thank you for being such an amazing inspiration. 2023, are you ready? Yeah. I said, are you ready? Okay then. We're going to do a 10-second. Are we ready?
He's nearly there.
He's nearly there. I'm just ahead of myself. Here we go then. Stand by. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,